In December of 1990, Margaret Gilleo placed a small sign on her front lawn in Ladue, Missouri that read, quote, "Say no to war in the Persian Gulf. Call Congress now," unquote. The city's response to this relatively small act of protest sparked City of Ladue versus Gilleo, a First Amendment case that truly was a sign of the times. Shortly after Gilleo put up the sign, it disappeared from her lawn. She put up another sign, which was also removed. When police told her that the lawn signs were prohibited under a local zoning ordinance, she applied for a variance, or an exception to the ordinance, which was denied. Gilleo then sued the City of Ladue, arguing that the city had violated her First Amendment right of free speech. The district court issued a preliminary injunction against the zoning ordinance. In response, Ladue passed a new ordinance prohibiting the display of all signs except those within certain exemptions, including signs for gas stations. The purpose of the law was to preserve the city's interests in privacy, aesthetics, safety, and property values. As a result, Gilleo amended her complaint to challenge the new ordinance that now made a small sign she displayed in the window of her home illegal. Both Gilleo and Ladue filed cross motions for summary judgment. Ladue argued its ordinance was content neutral and merely a restriction on the time, place, and manner of speech. Gilleo contended that the ordinance was a content-based restriction that was not necessary to serve a compelling government interest. The district court struck down the new ordinance as unconstitutional. The Court of Appeals affirmed, holding that the law was a content-based regulation and that sign pollution was not a compelling enough reason to justify restricting speech. The Supreme Court granted cert.